Hi! In front of me is Nokia X30 and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this Nokia. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down. Then tap on System. Now you need to choose Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard and Keyboard. From here, click on Theme section, select the best theme for you by clicking on it, manage keyboarders and tap on Apply. So now as you can see, when I go back, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always go into exactly the same settings and customize it by tapping on this plus icon under my themes. Then click on the photo that you wish to apply, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Following that, choose Next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Finally click on Done, manage keyboarders and tap on Apply. In order to delete your keyboard, click on it, tap on this bin icon and confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you wish to edit it, click on it, but this time select this pen icon and make your changes. Remember to hit Apply again. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!